Hi everyone. Today I will show you how to install R in RStudio on your Windows computer. Step by step, very simple and very easy. Click on the internet browser, write rcran. Click on the first link. I will share you the link in the description. Click download R for Windows. Click on base. Download R 4.5.1 for Windows. Now type RStudio and click on the link. I will share you the link in the description. Accept all. Download RStudio Desktop for your Windows. Both setups has been downloaded. You'll click the rcran setup, R for Windows. OK. Next. 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 Click on finish. Now double click on RStudio setup. Click on next and install. Click on finish. Now type RStudio in the startup panel. Click open the file location. Right click the shortcut and create a shortcut on a desktop. Double click RStudio. See how easy this was. You install both R and RStudio in just few minutes. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe and share it with your friends.